Right, go and get some elevator trim in for me, would you?
Would you want up?
Yes, please. The back trim there. Bit more. Stop. Bit more. Stop. Bit more. Stop. Wait, no, bit more. Stop. Right, I have it. Okay, that's right. Now we need aileron trim. It's okay, I'll get it. I can get the aileron trim.
Go! I think it's the trim, it might just be a difference with the batteries and everything.
Yeah, it might just be that. Still needing a bit of back trim. Let's just slow it down and see if because I'm just flying it too fast. The reason I'm flying it fast is just to get the thing going. And it's still dropping a wee tad. Not as bad as it was. Right, that sounds like a double beep as if that's a neutral on this thing. Right, that feels not too bad. Yep, here we go. I'll come in for the other side a bit slower. You ready?
I'm going to come the other side slow.
Well, slowish. Okay, right, it's trimmed okay.
Right.
You happy there?
I'll get a
You see it?
shot, yeah.
There you go. It didn't feel twitching, it was just out of trim.
I take it with that new battery, if it's heavier or lighter or whatever, could
Yeah, that would upset the trim.
Yeah.
It's alright, isn't it? Yeah. The good thing is...
You've got to land this in one piece.
You think that's long enough, like?
I can check it, can't I? Because it's new batteries, so I don't know what it's like.
True. Wait till I get visuals on it. I have it. Landing.